Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at this Vankyo Leisure 430W portable video projector. Now they were nice enough to send me this product for free so that I could show it to you. They also provided me with a promo code, so there will be a link down below if after watching this video you decide this item is for you. Check out that link to get your discount. Let's unbox it, check it out. I think it's really cool. See, it has this screen mirroring, so on your cell phone or your computer, you can mirror the screen to this. And I just think that's really neat. So let's get this thing open so we can check it out. See, it comes in a nice little zip-up case. It says screen mirroring right on the front there. Has the brand name. See, in the top pouch, looks like we have some little wipes and Q-tips for cleaning. We have a quick start guide and the user manual. Comes with the power cord. Comes with a little AV cable. Remote control. And a HDMI cable. Nice little Velcro straps, hold it in place. Nice and portable. Alright, there's the front of it there. Have our focus. And probably a tilt. Power cable goes on that side. Probably for the remote. We have our inputs over here. Looks like it has a headphone, or you could plug in a speaker to that jack there. That AV cable we looked at. Plug in some kind of SD cards, USB, HD, HDMI, and the VGA, like a computer monitor style plug there. See, it's got the feet on the bottom. This little screw hole is to adjust your tilt, and I saw that in one of the bags. So when you have it on a table or something, you can adjust how high it's aimed. Take off the lens cover. See these buttons on the top. Power, looks like a menu. Maybe that's the mirroring button or something. Looks like a return button. We have OK. Then a 4-way directional pad. Moved it over to the living room so we can go through the quick setup and check out how this thing looks. Now, I'm set up about 11 feet away from the screen I got put up, and the screen itself, the blue rectangle you're seeing, is about, I think it was 87 by 42. And you can see we're coming in nice and clear with the focus. That is just the front knob. Let's see. So you adjust it yourself. And then the second knob you saw in there adjusts the tilt, depending on the angle that you're coming at the screen from. So we'll select English, obviously. Square with an arrow apparently changes your input. I'm going to try screen mirroring. There we go. Try and get the entire thing in focus, messing with those two knobs. This is for iOS. Here's for Android. Switch you guys over to another camera because I normally record on my phone, and we're going to try and do this screen mirroring. So I'm going to go through the instructions The projector has on the screen for us says go to settings on your Android mobile device, turn on Wi-Fi, successfully connect to the Wi-Fi is not a must unless live streaming content is needed. Activate multi-screen function in your Android mobile device and search for the projector. We have the mirroring connected. Let's try a game. So that'll give us some fast motion and see how it works. I'm going to try this hill climb too. The sound's actually playing from the projector. Now you can hear some skipping around, some lag to it, I guess. And I couldn't tell you if that's because my phone, Samsung S8, isn't real good at this, or if it's because of the projector itself. It is pretty cool to be able to play the game and watch the screen. Let's see if I can show you guys both at once. You can see it really doesn't have lag to it. This is hard to do. Very difficult to do this. So there's some screen mirroring. I wanted to show you what happens when you try and watch like a YouTube video. You're using the screen mirroring. This is specifically for screen mirroring. I'm going to select this video on the radiator. Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville 2 YouTube channel. You're looking at the newest upgrade for the 66 Caprice. We got an aluminum radiator, 4-core, with the fan and the shroud and the overflow can. So here, we're watching my favorite person. ChampionRadiators.com. So check them out. You can see we're not getting totally smooth playback. 4-core radiator, you got the 16-inch electric fan, the shroud. And normally I can watch YouTube videos on my phone without any skipping and stuff. A little overflow, catch can. As I bang it up. Let me try one thing. Try a cache cleaning app on my phone and see if we get smoother playback after that. If we clean the cache, let's just restart this video and see if it's any smoother playback. And the temperature switch and everything, so we don't just have to wire up the fan to the key, because that's... So although the picture quality is really good, we do get some jerkiness. Again, I don't know if that's just my phone, the Samsung S8, or if that's the projector. This would be the only device I can test it in this way. Let's check out using a different input and see what we think. Now we're going to play through the SD card. It uses a regular full-size SD card. Of course, you can get adapters if you have a micro SD to put it in there. Let's see what we got. And there's our video, same video we watched earlier. I just saved it. Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville 2 YouTube channel. You're looking at the newest upgrade for the 66 Caprice. Nice smooth playback. Aluminum radiator, 4-core. The picture does look really good. And the overflow can and the wiring kit came from LED Racing ChampionRadiators.com. So check them out. Put a link down below. As I said, 4-core radiator. You got the 16-inch electric. It does have an internal speaker, So that is what you are hearing there. You can plug in an external speaker through that little audio jack that we showed you on the side. And of course, you can basically treat this like a TV as far as the inputs work. We saw that HDMI port, so you could plug in a Blu-ray player. You could plug in your cable box. You can see some of that shadowing, the ghosting back there. That's just my entertainment center behind my screen that isn't quite opaque enough. And I actually already have another LED projector that is pretty similar, although it doesn't have the wireless function. I have it all set up on a cart, and I actually take it out to my deck, and this exact same screen I hang up on one wall of the house and watch movies out on the deck. Watch Pet Sematary and Children of the Corn, and I live out in a farm field, so it's kind of fun watching those scary movies in the dark outside. And it's kind of like going to a drive-in. You can get a nice big screen, hook up a decent quality speaker to it. Here we're using an HDMI port with a Amazon Fire box. I want to show you can hook up a streaming box such as this or a Roku and it'll work just fine. I probably can't play any video through this thing because everything's going to be copyrighted, but I can show you, for instance, I have Dish Network, so we can connect to my DVR and I could watch any Dish Network shows through the box on the projector. As you can see, we have to wrap this up pretty quickly because there's going to be a football game on soon. There it is, guys. The Vankyo Leisure 430W LED projector. Overall, I think it's really cool. I love these things. If you like watching sports, movies, you ever binge watch a TV show, it's like being at a theater. You put up a big old screen. You can just use a white sheet. It's essentially what it is I have up there. And I'll tell you, I really wish I had a newer phone to test this with, because I feel like that problem with mirroring was probably my phone. Because I get problems just trying to play games on my phone where it's all herky-jerky, and it is a couple years old now. I wish I had a newer phone to test it on. I can't say 100% which item was causing that problem. So there's the link down below. Check out the review, see what you think about it. I think it's pretty cool. We also got the promo code for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.